Start an affiliate program for your course or product. This is a powerful way to actually expose your product to so many people, because people will be eager to make some money with sharing your course information. It's very powerful way because they will earn, you will earn, people will get the solution, so you will expose your own course to many people. So you need to know people who work with affiliate marketing. You need to know people who are willing to communicate about your course. You need to know people who are very interested to spread your word, but at the same time, they often work with affiliate marketing, therefore they really don't care or they don't hesitate to spread your message, or they are not competitors with you. So it's a powerful way to build your business and to build awareness.